When I grow up, boys, girls. Someday soon, when I grow up, I'll have a job to do. I'll write a book, or be a cook, or work inside the zoo. I might want to drive a bus, or teach children to read. I'll load a train, or fly a plane, or plant a little seed. I might want to fight a fire, or be a doctor too. I'll build a house, or sew a blouse, or sail the ocean blue. So many jobs that I might choose, I wonder what I'll be. I'll work and learn till it's my turn to find a job for me. When I grow up, boys, girls,